Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìkànnì Yorùbá Entertainment Gist, níbi tí a ti ń mú àwọn ìròyìn Yorùbá àti àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ní ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀ wá sí etí ìgbọ̀yìn. Ẹ máa bá wa kálọ.
Alright, so I'm going to be playing a voice recording between Sam Larry and ZLATAN during the time when Mohbad died. Now, I will expect that in 48 hours, ZLATAN comes out to explain what he knows and why he did not talk about this when we were seeking justice for Mohbad. That's number one. Number two, I see a lot of comments, a lot of people saying, "Very dark man, why did you bring this case back? This case is already good. This is not the right time." It shows that a lot of you are hypocrites. So all those why I want that they shout justice for Mohbad, when I want me the case die, it will not die. I deliberately brought that case back up because I say a lot of them don't move on. A lot of you moved on, and that's why the government cannot take us serious because you people are always quick to move on. Everybody they say, "Very dark man, we like what you went to do in Benue." Everybody they hail me this period, but I go bring the one where make a lot of people don't like me. You know why? Because I really want justice for the boy. The boy has not been dead. His spirits they walk up and down. Meanwhile, some people knew the truth, but they hold it out. They distracted everybody and used bullying to cover it up. And you, ZLATAN, you knew. You kept quiet. Why did you keep quiet? We were distracted. We could not go towards the real killers and the people that were involved. They distracted. Who bully? Who bully? I don't start the case again. Anybody where the investor bring them up, may enter bush. But you are not a real person if you say, "Why did I bring it back?" So you want me the case of Mohbad just go down like that, and you say you want justice for the boy. Fake! All of you are fake people. Fake people, that's what you people are. Fake people. What do you think I will gain? What do you think I will gain by bringing Sam Larry to come and tell? Some people say, "RNG, which RNG?" Did you not get the question I was asking him? Did that also bring proof? A lot of you are fake. Justice for Mohbad, and I go protest, but you want me the case go down. You invest in that and bring that back up again. And now me you talk say I want me now me spoil the case, but now me the always go. Anyways, ZLATAN.
We're ready to see you. That's only here for you. I've been enjoying me for comedy me she kokon now.
Delicate, what's something you
mo mọ̀ pé ìṣọ́ra mi ìfẹ́ anything tó máa stay níwọ̀ ṣé ó kàn lè sọ fún wọn wà ń bẹ̀ ń jọ yẹn wọ́n náà yí gbogbo pàṣẹ ti pàṣẹ gbogbo wàhálà ti ṣe jọ yẹn pé kẹ́nìbọ̀dì má jà ọ̀dẹ̀ jà ó ìṣù ní fídíò náà ìṣù tẹ̀ ọ̀gbẹ́nìbọ̀dì tó fọwọ́ pẹ́ anybody nígbà tó ti wá lọ́wọ́.
ẹ̀gbọ́n tí bá ti sọ yẹn bàbá ṣàlàyé lọ ní o ẹ ṣáà máa tàyà bàbá ní pé kí wọ́n máa ẹ̀mọ̀ wọ́n máa ó ti mú fẹ́ ìbọ̀kù rà mí tó bá mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ni nǹkan tó kàn mí màmá dá sí nǹkan tó kàn mí over 2 years báyìí ni mo sọ̀rọ̀ náà láì tí mo bá mi sick tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ náà láì ni mo mọ̀ pé mo ṣẹlẹ̀ ọkùnrin lọ́la ọkùnrin ti sọ àti pé sọ́mà ẹ̀ wọ́n mi mi ò ti tó sí kan tó kàn mí láti jọ rẹ̀ mi ní bá fún yín mo máa ń lọ lórí láti sọ nǹkan tó pa wọn ẹ̀ mi ò lè ìjọ ti sọ oríṣiríṣi mo wà ní ṣò kí wọ́n máa rojọ́ kí wọ́n máa gbé àmì síta fún mi dáàdì mi ti kìlọ̀ fún mi ti kìlọ̀ fún mi pé.
ó dà bẹ́ẹ̀.
ó tó lọ bọ́ sí wrong time ni.
ọlọ́run.
wrong time lélẹ̀ mi ò lè pa á fún yín mo lè understand. àwọn cashiers ti pè mí kan mo sọ fún pé daily ti pè mí mo sọ pé ìjọ yẹn ọ̀la pé sí understand bí sáná ìwà abẹ́rẹ́ ọdún.
kí ni David sọ. mi ìfọwọ́ mi kàn mí ìfọwọ́ mi ṣe kankan kò sẹ́ni bọ̀dọ̀ tó fọwọ́ pẹ́yàn. kí ni yóò bí o wá sọ ṣé kò sọ̀rọ̀ kan ṣá ẹlẹ́lẹ́ni tó láìkì ni tó fẹ́ràn mi. Mo láì dúró 2 hours. Mo láì dúró 2 hours sáyé jáàmù là ká ń ṣeré. Ó lóun máa dágun, ó máa ṣe kíní yẹn sìn. Ó lóun máa ṣe ń sìn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Èmi gan mo ti kó lórí WhatsApp yẹn ni wọ́n máa lò ẹ́ wọ́n ti fẹ́ẹ̀ bú mi pa. Fake video ni ọ̀lẹ́ lọ́lọ́ ní náà lọ́wọ́. Eyọlọ ẹni tí ó jẹ gbì kò lè kú gbì Ọlọ́run yínú mi. Ọlọ́run yínú mi bọ̀ kò sí problem ìgbàwọ́n pẹ̀lú àǹtà nígbà ògbé yà ò lè ẹ̀pù mi kò kọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ síta pẹ̀lú náà tí wọ́n á yí sí pé
tó bá jẹ́ pé mo lè sọ̀rọ̀ ni àti nǹkan tó kàn mí máa ti máa dá sí máa ti máa pẹ́ kí ni máa ti máa kọ́ ètò mi ò dá sí kankan ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ò dá sí kankan. Àti fi ṣe àyè nǹkan tó fi pamọ́ tí àwọn ìyá mi wà mo ní òpó sí ìyá àti bàbá tó bí mi rí mo ṣe wà yìí.
Mama.
Mo jẹ́ bá wọn gbé ní oṣù yàrá mi ṣe ẹ̀gbọ́n social media ẹ̀mí ti wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ báyìí pé àwọn
ìwé ìgbé ibi títí wọlé gan ṣé àmọ́ gbọ́ pé yá kẹ́nìbọ̀dì dìde gàtà fílé ilẹ̀ mí ìdẹ fọwọ́ kàn lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ló ti wọ mọ́tò ẹ̀. bọ̀ ó yọ lọ́run ṣá ó yọ lọ́run kò sí èrè máa pè ẹ́ ó ṣe gan.
Now, for those of you that don't understand Yoruba, let me give you a little summary. But please tell people that understand Yoruba to explain this thing for you. Now, there you go. No say ZLATAN no try at all. At all. Now, Sam Larry says, ZLATAN, won't you help me? Tell the world what happened. ZLATAN say, this is very delicate too. That Sam Larry should go and give a press release instead. Then he now told ZLATAN that say everything that happened. Go and say everything that happened. ZLATAN kept on dodging the topic. Next thing, he says, ZLATAN now said that his parents told him he should keep mute. Say his parents tell him, say make him no talk. So him they stay away from the thing. ZLATAN now went further. If you listen to it to a point, he now highlighted that the video was cut out. Now why they cut the video? Say the media are trying to use it for their own narrative. Now my question is this: what would it have taken from ZLATAN to just say what happened, so that we go quickly they go to waiting by the boy? Do you understand? When I talk about DNA, did anybody bring any other solution apart from that suggestion when I make? They say they don't do investigation, they don't do investigation. They did not do investigation to bring the results. They did an investigation so that the case could go down. They won't load the case. All those things they were doing were lies. Lies. Somebody did somewhere, they push narrative. People where they benefit. People where gather agenda, they gather agenda. And I bring Sam Larry back and they ask some question, unedited. Unedited. One thing you know, they don't make her look fine. But still on still, he say, why did they bring it back? Now this one make me look like very dark man. What do you think I want to use your life for? What's that what your life do? I be like, who they find your like? I be like, mad. Now look at how they like your like. This boy have not been buried, for crying out loud. He has not been buried. His spirit is waka everywhere. Because he never get justice. ZLATAN, if you be man enough and you know say you want justice for this boy, come out and talk. You know what happened in that video. Why did you not say it? Or probably maybe because you wanted these people to go down. Maybe. Or maybe you didn't want justice for the boy. And guess what? I heard that like 2 of them go that show for Ikorodu that night. You were there. But you just gently come out yourself. Why? A lot of you knew something, but you hid it. And this is what you want, make the case just go down like that. You know go ahead, though. You know go ahead. I used to think I will make us down like that. As Sam Larry come, they say, may they bring Wunmi come. May they bring everybody where they involved for that case, that period. May they bring the truth to come out. Not be all those fake podcasts where they go. Those lie podcasts. Where they go sit down, they go arrange what they won't talk. Did you see me with a pen and a paper yesterday with Sam Larry? From heart, and they ask Sam straight. May they bring anybody come. No pen and paper. We all saw what happened. Whoever bullied him will come out. Bully, yes. I know the talk. One justice, you say one day that one thing about fake. That's where you people are. You're gonna learn and you'll learn the hard way. Don't play. Rubbish.
No. You don't do. Shebi na the beef is that.
You see what I'm married to Mohbad, see?
Make anybody where we know no go through it in this boy go through. And to add everything up, the Mohbad is still not buried, which is very, very sad. Now, you see this particular video I just posted, you will notice that my own is very clearer than the ones they have in the blogs. It is because me, I don't get my video since, and I keep them. Now, let's go back. I don't know why a lot of now they get them mixed up. When I interviewed Sam Larry, it is because I want to wake the case back up. Sam Larry said he didn't touch the boy, he didn't beat the boy. That one I own confession. I wait him talk, Abi. He can't remain people who go talk, say, Sam Larry, you are lying. You touched the boy. This particular video where we just watch now, this particular video, I believe it was taken after that music video shoot where ZLATAN and Mohbad appeared because of the hairstyle. Do you understand? Because of the hairstyle. And it shows, say, okay, be like say, now that same day. Again, Mohbad also went to go and write petition against Sam Larry after this music video shoot that Sam Larry beat him up. You get the point? You go see why I interview him now. He still point a man, and a lot of videos, they say Sam Larry name they everywhere, but this Sam Larry have come to deny it. Making himself look like what? A saint. I wasn't there. You were not there. It's now time to point and say, you Sam Larry, you did it. That is why I woke back this case. Now, you see that case when Mohbad go right against Sam Larry. His witness is ZLATAN Ibile. That ZLATAN was there when Sam Larry assaulted him. When they now invited Sam Larry, he went there and countered it and said, it is a lie and my witness is ZLATAN. Can you now see why I say, wait, ZLATAN, will you keep quiet when the real truth will be under? What is the real truth? You don't know, I don't know. What is my work? Investigation. Do you understand? These people won't make all this case go down. But you know, some people say, he won't whitewash them. He won't bring their reputation back. If they like, maybe they share 10 billion for the whole Nigeria. Their reputation can never come back. So nobody can whitewash them. But you people don't understand. Think. This video now, where I just play for now. Do you know what Mohbad said? He said, Sam Larry. Then the other person in the video says, see what Sam Larry did to Mohbad. One woman voice where they under. I wish I can see that woman or the young lady there. Make sure also tell her, say, you do am, and I was there. I will be so happy. It's not whitewashing. Then he go help us gather our hands together and say, you are a bully. Now let's go back to ZLATAN again. This is another video of ZLATAN wearing that same cloth and that same shoe on that same day after Mohbad left. He was still seen hanging out with Sam Larry in the beach when Mohbad had left. Do you understand? So if anything happened to Mohbad after that shoot, who will fit tell us? ZLATAN. Now, according to the first voice note when I released, I don't know what I still say. Very dark my hate ZLATAN. No, he won't bring ZLATAN. No. This ZLATAN will no great talk now. During the time of Mohbad, you give interview. You give farewell interview, you talk one or two things. It would have helped. This same Mohbad, now 12 now, they allege say 12 now go that show for Ikorodu together. You know a lot that can help us point the bullies of this boy. The alleged bullies are denying it.
They don't go, the alleged bullies now, they don't go lock them up, they don't come out. And you know why they left scot-free? Because nobody where they alive feel point and say, you do am and I did, yeah. So to the police and to whoever in the authorities, all these videos look doctored. Unless one person can say, I am there. That is investigation. Small thing, oh, they don't pay. No, I may wake the matter. I wake them deliberately. Am I there when they happen? No. Does Sam Larry deserve to say his side of the story? Very, very true. Yes. And that's why I brought it up. I get plenty of the videos. Don't get it twisted. I have a lot. But I mean, they control the game. You won't tell me how to play this game. I control it. The boy is still very much alive. That boy have not been buried. When I don't move on, all of you moved on from this case. You moved on. It is back. Like I said, if you still feel that ZLATAN does not deserve to say anything in this case, then okay, no problem. Do you understand? Now, the people I need, though, I wish I know the person where record that video where say, look at what Sam Larry did to Mohbad. I wish. Those two women where they push Mohbad and ZLATAN, I wish I know them. I wish I know them. Anybody there, I just wish we could give a full account of that day. Hence, whatever thing Sam Larry say, you will have to be forced to believe him because nobody's countering him. Think.